Well, thank you so much for talking to us, Bhumi, and welcome to India Today Television. To begin with, how are you coping with all, the new ways of doing interviews and, fixing your own frame and, doing interviews from home, and so much has changed in these last couple of months.
How am I coping? Clearly not very well. I think this is the third time that you're introducing me because of all the technical challenges that we've had. You're my first interview of the day. So clearly there's been some back and forth, but it's not bad. I don't mind it. Obviously, the energy when you're sitting across somebody
Right.
and is something else. I miss that. I miss that tremendously. I miss all the madness that happens during a promotion, right? There are like three costume changes. You're running from here to there. You are doing your PR interviews. There's some digital work. It's madness. This is a lot calmer. It's a
Right.
lot more controlled. It's hectic because I'll end up doing most of the work. That is, but it's okay. I think
And
it
of course,
still does a good job, so it's fine.
right from the announcement, right from the word go, this film looks so powerful. With that picture of you holding a placard saying hero, and we had,
Yeah,
so many people,
yeah,
all men around you.
yeah.
Uh, do you think women in Indian cinema have perhaps come a long way to actually achieve and enjoy that place on the throne?
Oh, absolutely. I think we've come a very, very long way, especially in the last 5 or 7 years. The kind of roles written for women, the kind of narratives, and the change that the audiences have felt has helped our cause a lot. I feel, but one of the biggest reasons why I really wanted to do Durgamati was because it's very rare that there is a role like the one that I'm doing in a film
Right.
that's helmed by a woman, and the role has such great amounts of machoism and heroism, and the adrenaline in the film is so high, and these are usually words that you associate with, male driven cinema. And that's what excited me the most. I
Right.
was like, I have an opportunity to kind of blur those lines, be a part of this really massy entertainer, and the kind of film that I've usually seen my male counterparts do, and yet get an opportunity to give a performance of a lifetime, because it truly is
Right.
a very, very complex and a very complicated performance to give.
It is a remake of a South Indian film with which had Anushka
Yeah.
Shetty headlining it. So what was it that perhaps clicked when the script came to you? Because of course when there are remakes, there are a lot of expectations and it can go terribly wrong. But at
Absolutely.
the same time, it can
Absolutely.
absolutely like skyrocket. So what was it
Absolutely.
that clicked?
Honestly, I had watched Bhagmati before Durgamati happened to me. I remember watching it and I was like, wow, what a canvas, right? What a canvas for
Hmm.
any actor. And what a chance to really give a good, strong performance. And a couple of months later, Durgamati happened. So clearly, I'd really manifested it.
Anyone who follows you on social media knows that you love to glam up, you love your makeup, you love all the
Yeah.
tutorials that you put out, and it's so
Yeah.
refreshing and enjoying to see you doing all of that. But that never translates, unfortunately,
Thank
into
you.
any of your films because your characters are
It
so real.
doesn't. I know, and that's why I remove all my bharas on my Instagram. And but I'll tell you what, that's the fun about being an actor, right? Everything
Right.
that I do is so away from the person that I am that it's truly a challenge. I put in a lot of work to try and become the character, and luckily, because of social media, you have opportunity. Social media gives you a great platform for your audiences to kind of know who you are as well.
What is the kind of preparation that it's so unlike you personally? What is the kind of preparation that went into perhaps a character like Durgamati? Because she's been in jail for a murder. She it's a large canvas to actually incorporate.
So my character is called Chanchal Chauhan. She's an IS officer who is serving
Right.
jail time. And absolutely, I think this is that one film that I didn't really know physically what to prepare for. Because I would like kind of go do my lines and I would reach set and the tone would be so away from how I kind of imagined it in my head, because the genre is such, right? You're reacting to things that you can't see. You're reacting to stimuli that you can't really understand or feel. So everything is like Ram Bharose, to put it in the most basic way, because it's such a audio visual heavy film that eventually when you see the final product, you're like, oh, okay, thank God, right?
Right.
And I think what really helps is to have a director who really knows his and with Ashok sir, the advantage was because he's already made the film once. He knows the film inside out, like completely. And I really just succumbed to his vision and what he had, how he saw the film, because there were times where, as I said, the genre isn't something that I necessarily have understand very well or I've done in the past, but I had full conviction on the material. And but still, there were days where I kind of doubted myself. I was like, really, is this too much or is it too little? Or, am I playing her too natural? Because, the format, the language of the film is such that maybe that will not work. And there were days where I was so over the top and I was like, is this too much? And just having a director who understands the emotional graph that the character has helps a lot in this, because there's a certain amount of duality that my character has. And I had to do justice to both the parts and yet try very hard not to kind of intermingle these two characters.
Bhumi, what's really interesting is right from the onset of your career, like Dum Laga Ke Haisha, to, all the movies that you have done since. Of course, there's Slice of Life, you have done comedies, you've picked up, serious things like Toilet Ek Prem Katha, and now a thriller. Is there any genre that you would, apart from the ones that you've already done, like to dabble with?
I think the only genre that I haven't really fully explored yet is action, maybe, because I think I've pretty much covered the rest. I think so. And I would love to do an action film, especially after Durgamati, definitely, because I had some scenes where I kind of had to show my action chops, and it was great fun. It's quite challenging physically, and that's something that I would love to do.
But is it a conscious decision to pick every film to be perhaps different from the other? Otherwise, people get stuck in that one image, so to speak, that the audiences have.
See, primarily what matters is a good film and a good script, right? If I don't have a strong story and I yet have an opportunity to do some Atranga character, it's just not going to work. So what I primarily am chasing are just like good, fantastic scripts with some really empowering filmmakers.
Absolutely. And, a film like Durgamati would ideally would have been perfect for the big screen, for people to watch it with all the VFX and all of that. But, due to the pandemic, of course, we are seeing it on, on a streaming digital giant. But were you disappointed?
Not really. No, not really. I mean, obviously, this is a CT Tali film, right? But I think what's happened over the period of what's happened over the last few months is that this thinking of mine has changed drastically. I think the fact that with a platform like Amazon Prime Video, my film will reach like 200 countries together, and that's fantastic, because what we constantly want is for our fan base to increase, for the film's fan base to increase, and our work should reach as many people as possible. It's going to be dubbed in so many languages, so that's the silver lining for me. That's honestly something that really, really got me excited, and I do hope that people still enjoy the film as much as they would have in cinemas.
Well, it was wonderful talking to you, Bhumi, and all the best for Durgamati. Can't wait to see it. And take care. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.